Hi everyone, I'm Raji from Raji's Craft Hobby. Welcome to my channel.
Today in this video I'll show you the pattern to make this drawstring bag. I'm using this shimmer yarn and I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. Start with a magic circle. And chain one. Chain one, this is not counted as a stitch, this is just to bring the yarn to a working height. And now in the magic circle make 6 single crochets. And 6. Now pull this yarn in. Close the gap. Now we'll be working in continuous rounds. You have made 6 single crochets. Now the first single crochet, make 2 single crochets. This is your chain one and this is your first single crochet. 1 and mark it with a stitch marker. Now one more stitch in the same stitch. 2 single crochet in each and every stitch. So at the end of this round you should have 12 single crochets. This is your last stitch. 11 and 12. For the next round, start with 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Mark it with a slip. And in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Repeat this. 1, 2 and 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round you should have 18 single crochets. The next round, 2 single crochets. And 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. That's 1 and 1. Again, the next stitch you will have 2 single crochets. And 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this. At the end of this round you should have 24 stitches. Now again the next round, start with 2 single crochet and mark your stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3 will make 1 single crochet. And the next stitch will make 2 single crochet. Now repeat this. should have 30 stitches. The next round, start with 2 single crochet, again mark a stitch. Now 1 single crochet the next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. The next stitch you'll make 2 single crochets. Now repeat this, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, then the next is 2 single crochet. At the end of this round you should have 36 stitches. Now this is the base made. Now we'll be making the body of the drawstring bag. Start with chain 2, right? Now 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Now you'll be working in continuous rounds and you'll just make double crochet stitches. Now to make the loops for the bag, you start with chain 2. Skip the stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then again chain 2, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet. Repeat this all around. This is the last stitch. Now the last round, in the chain 2 space make 2 double crochets. Now in the next space make 2 double crochets. Repeat this all around until you reach over here. Stitch over here and here. This bag, the base, it measures around 3 inches and the body, it measures around 4 inches. Now to make this string, start with a slip knot. And chain 70. Once you made this, just loop it around. Now to finish off, I'm using these pearls. I'll just tie it off so that they don't come out. Secure it tightly.